Good morning to all. Welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Maths Online class. Today we are going to continue the same chapter number 2, numbers and sequences. Actually we are dealing with the exercise number 2.8. Here we are solving problem related to sum to n terms of the geometry progression. So we have discussed so far Sn is equal to a of 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r. And one more formula we have discussed, that is a of r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. When r which is greater than 1, here r which is less than 1. Okay. So now I am going to solve question number 6. Find the sum to n terms of the series given by 0.4 plus 0.44 plus 0.444 plus and so on to n terms. Okay, you know that this is neither AP nor GP. Already you have learned the AP and the GP. So both conditions does not satisfy this problem. So either convert into AP or GP, then only we can apply this formula. Okay. So first I am going to do here 0.4 plus 0.44 and so on. Here 4 is the common multiple. So you can take that number out. Solution. If you take that 4 out, what do we have? 4 into 0.1 is equal to 0.4. So 0.1. Here 0.11 and next one 0.111 plus and so on to n terms. I hope you all understand. Here 4 is the common multiple. I am going to take that out. So what do we have? 0.1 plus 0.11 and so on. The next term I am going to multiply and divide it by 9. So if you multiply and divide it by 9, you get that number like this, multiply and divide. So 0.1 plus 0.11 plus 0.111 and so on to n terms. Okay. So here when you multiply by 9, I am going to multiply by 9 all the terms. So what do we have? 4 by 9 into 9 into 0.1, we get 0.9 plus this one 0.99 plus 0.999 plus and so on to n terms. I hope you all understand this. Next I am going to write the number 0.9. You know that 10 minus 0. So this 0.9 and 0.99 and 0.29 can be rewritten as in the form of, first instead of 0.9 I am going to write 1 minus 0.1. You know that if you subtract 0.1 from this, you can get this value. Like this one 0.99, 1 minus 0.01. Okay. Like third one 0.001. Okay. So I am going to rewrite in the form of 4 by 9 into, instead of this 1 minus 0.1 plus 1 minus 0.01 plus 1 minus 0.001 plus and so on to n terms. By moving this 1 and 1, 1, I am going to write in a first series 1 plus 1 plus 1 and so on to n terms. Okay. Next minus. The minus is the common, so we can take it out. Next 0.1 plus 0.01 plus 0.001 to n terms. Okay. So now we can apply that. Here a equal to 1, r is also 1. You know the formula Sn equal to n into a. Sn equal to n into a. So that a equal to 1. So Sn is equal to n. For this sum is equal to n. And similarly, we are going to find the sum of this one. Here, first term a is equal to 0.1 and r, the common ratio r is equal to term 2 divided by term 1. You know that 0.01 divided by 0.1. If you simplify, you can get 0.1. If you have doubt, you can convert into fraction form, then you can simplify them. So r is equal to 0.1. You know that this is less than 1. So if r which is less than, so r which is less than 1, so that I am going to take the formula Sn equal to a of 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r. Okay, so Sn is equal to, what is a? 0.1 into 1 minus r is also 0.1 whole power n whole divided by 1 minus 0.1. Okay. So now 4 by 9, instead of this series we have written Sn equal to n. Instead of this series I simplified as 0.1 into 1 minus 0.1 whole power n divided by this 1 minus 0.1. What is answer? 0.1 into 1 minus 0.1 whole power n divided by 1 minus 0.1 is equal to 0.9. Okay. So Sn equal to 4 by 9 into first one n minus second one 0.1 divided by 0.9 into 1 minus 0.1 whole power n. Okay. So now we know that this 0.1 divided by 0.9 can be written as 1 by 9. So 4 by 9 into n. The first one I multiplied this one. Next minus this 0.1 divided by 0.9 can be written as 1 by 9. Okay. So when you multiply by 4 by 9. In 9 into 9, 81. Okay. Into this one, 1 minus 0.1 whole power n. So this will be the answer. So Sn is equal to 4 by 9 into n minus 4 by 81 into 1 minus 0.1 whole power n. This is the sum to the n terms of this series, 0.4 plus 0.44 plus 0.444 to n terms. Okay. So you know that this is neither AP nor GP. We have converted into GP, then we find the answer for this series. Question number 6, second subdivision, 3 plus 33 plus 333 and so on to n terms. Okay. First we check is it a AP or GP. Already we know that this is neither AP nor GP like the previous problem we discussed. Okay. So here also I am going to convert into geometric progression. So how can we do it? First take the common number, common value is out. So 3 is the multiple, common multiple. If you take that out, you get 1 plus 11 plus 111 and so on to n terms. Okay. So next multiplied and divided by 9. Why we did this? Actually we are going to convert into geometric progression. That's why we are going to do this. So when we multiply and divided by 9, first I divided here. So we can multiply it. So 9 plus 99 plus 999 plus and so on to n terms. In last problem, I did first 3 by 9 into 9 and then multiply. So here directly I substituted. Okay. So now 3 by 9 we can simplify it. 1 by 3. So this 9 can be written as 10 minus 1 plus this 99 can be written as 100 minus 1 and this one can be written as 1000 minus 1 plus and so on to n terms. Okay. So now this 10, 100, 1000 will form geometric progression. This 10, 100, 1000 will form geometric progression because their common ratios must be same. Like this 1, 1, 1. So we are going to split the series into two series. First 1 by 3 into first series 10 plus 100 plus 1000 and so on to n terms. second one 1 plus 1 plus 1 and so on to n terms. So first one the terms are in geometric progression. So here a is equal to 10, r is also 10, 100 by 10 is equal to 10. Okay, here r value which is greater than 1, so I am going to take this formula Sn equal to a of r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Okay, so substitute their values. So Sn here a is 10 into 10 power n minus 1 divided by 10 minus 1 gives 9. Okay, similarly the second series here a equal to 1, r is also 1. So what is the formula? Sn equal to na, we have learnt already. So a is equal to 1, so n. Okay, so now come to the conclusion. So Sn equal to 1 by 3. The first series sum is equal to this one, 10 into 10 power n minus 1 divided by 9 minus the second series sum is equal to n. You can write up to this or you can multiply them. So if you multiply by 1 by 3 means 1 into 10, 3 into 9, 27 into 10 power n minus 1 minus 1 by 3 into n or n by 3. This is the required answer. I hope you all understand. These two problems are very very important. 5 mark questions. Learn this problem properly. Next question number 7. Find the sum of the geometric series 3 plus 6 plus 12 plus and so on. The last term of the geometric series is given. Actually this is 1536. It is equal to L or Tn. We can say this has last term or nth term. Okay. So if you want to find the sum of the series, you must know how many terms the series contains. Okay. So you must know the value of n. So I am going to find the n value. So this Tn is equal to a r power n minus 1 when in the geometric progression. So this value is equal to 1536. So a r power n minus 1 is equal to 1536. Okay, so in this series a is equal to 3 and r is also 6 by 3. R is equal to term 2 divided by term 1. So 6 by 3 gives 2. Common ratio r is equal to 2. So 2 power n minus 1 is equal to 1536. Okay, so it must be divisible by 3 because sum of the digits 6 plus 3 9, 15, 15. So sum of the digit is equal to multiple of 3. Therefore it must be divisible by 3. So how many times? 5 times. 1 time, 2 times. Okay. So 2 power n minus 1 is equal to this 512 already you know that 2 power 9. 2 power 9 is equal to 512. Okay. So if bases are same, we can equate their powers. So n minus 1 is equal to 9. Okay. Bases are same, we can equate their powers. That law I have applied here. So n minus 1 is equal to 9 means n is equal to 10. So now I am going to find the sum to 10 terms of this geometric series. So S10. S10 is equal to a of r power n minus 1. Actually Sn a of r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. I am going to replace n is equal to 10 and a is equal to 3, r is equal to 2. Okay. So S10 is equal to a is 3, r is 2 power 10, n is equal to 10, you know that, minus 1 divided by r minus 1. So 2 minus 1. So 3 into 2 power 10 value 1024. 2 power 9 is equal to 512, you know that. So 2 power 10 means 1024 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So what do we get? 3 into 1023. Okay. So when you multiply them, 3 into 3 9, 3 into 2 6 0 3. So S10 is equal to 3069. Okay, I hope you all understand this problem. This is very easy. First we found the n value. After finding n value, we substitute the given formula. So S10 is equal to 3069. So in this video we have discussed some of the geometric series. The two types of problems. First a decimal one we given. Another one problem. Actually both problems are not a geometric progression, not a arithmetic progression. After converting to geometric progression, we apply this formula and we find the answer. Okay. And this problem we found the n value. After that Sn value we found that. I hope you all understand these two problems. And this is a very important 5-mark question. Learn properly. And next class we will see the next problem. From question number 8 we will see.